Welcome to World's Knowledge Book. Please subscribe, like and share our channel World's Knowledge Book. Avian influenza, also called avian flu or bird flu, is an illness that usually only affects birds. There are many different strains, but the most commonly seen and most deadly form of the virus is called influenza A or the H5N1 virus. Bird flu was first isolated from a goose in China in 1996. Human infections were first reported in 1997 in Hong Kong. It's deadly to birds and can easily affect humans and other animals that come in contact with a carrier. According to the World Health Organization, H5N1 was first discovered in 1997 and killed nearly 60% of those infected. The first bird flu in India came in February 2006 in Maharashtra. Between 2006 to 2018, India reported 225 epicenters of bird flu infection. In India, the disease spreads mostly through migratory birds entering the country during the winter season. Most cases of human bird flu infections are due to contact with infected poultry or surfaces that contaminated with infected bird excretions. Symptoms of avian flu include fever, cough, sore throat, and sometimes severe respiratory diseases and pneumonia. India has begun culling thousands of poultry birds after avian flu was detected in ducks, crows, and wild geese across the country. Please subscribe, like and share our channel World's Knowledge Book.